Very good morning, student. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Student, in last class, we have discussed basic terms and definitions based on coordinate geometry. And today we will do some questions based on coordinate geometry. Our first sum is find the coordinate of A. Student, we have discussed that in coordinate, first we mention x coordinate and then y coordinate. Now here x coordinate is 2. For A, my x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is also 2. So for A, my coordinate will be 2, 2. Now find the coordinate of B. This is my B. For x coordinate, the value of x is 5 and the value of y is minus 3. So the y coordinate is minus 3 and coordinate for B will be 5 minus 3 because we mentioned x coordinates first and then y coordinates. Now what are the coordinates for C? Student, try yourself. Try to find out the coordinate of C. Let's see, student. My x-axis is minus 2 and y-axis is 1. So for C, the coordinate will be minus 2 and 1. And that for D will be minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 and 3. And for E, my coordinate is on y-axis, x is always 0. So 0 and y is minus 3 because this is minus y-axis, negative y-axis. And for F, the coordinate will be, for x-axis y is 0 and x coordinate will be 4, 0. Student, if we have asked find the abscissa for A, find abscissa for A. Then you know abscissa is x coordinate, then the value of x is 2. Similarly, find ordinate for C. Now ordinate is y coordinate and for C my y coordinate is plus 1. Okay, student. Now our second sum is plot the points on plane, Cartesian plane. My first point is minus 2, 4. Now minus 2, x-axis is minus 2 and for y-axis plus 2. Plus 4. So here x coordinate will be minus 2 on this line. And for this horizontal line, y-axis will be 4, y coordinate will be 4 and the meeting point will denote minus 2, 4. Similarly, try to plot the point minus 3, minus 4. Try yourself, students, to plot point minus 3, minus 4. Let's see, student. Minus 3. For x-axis, minus 3 is on this line. And for minus y, this is my minus y. And this point will be minus 3, minus 4. Okay, student. Now our third question based on this is find the quadrant of 3 minus 1. For 3 minus 1 we have already discussed that when x-axis and y-axis both are positive, then this is our first quadrant. This is our first quadrant in which x and y both are positive. And in second quadrant, my y-axis is positive and x-axis is negative. X is negative and y is positive. And for third quadrant, my x-axis is negative and also y-axis will be negative, means x and y both are negative. And for fourth quadrant, our x-axis is positive while y-axis is negative. Now check here, x-axis, x coordinate is positive, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. It means x is positive and y is negative. Here in fourth quadrant, my x is positive and y is negative. So this point lies in fourth quadrant. Now try to find out the points, the quadrant of point -2, -4, -2, 4 and 3, 4. Try yourself, students. -2, -4, -2, 4 and 3, 4. Okay student, see here, for -2 and -4 means my both x coordinate and y coordinate are negative, and when both are negative then the quadrant will be third quadrant. Here x and y are negative, it means this is third quadrant. Now -2 and 4. -2 means x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So it means this is quadrant number 2, second quadrant. For 3 and 4 means both x and y coordinate are positive. It means this is first quadrant. Okay student, in exercise 3.2 we have only this type of question. One question is to plot the points, to tell the coordinates or abscissa or ordinates of any point which is plotted on a Cartesian plane. And second question type is to plot the point on Cartesian plane. And third type question is find the quadrant or axis of points. If we are asked that find the axis for -4, 0, and we want to tell the axis or quadrant. Now you know that my y coordinate is 0 and y coordinate 0 is on x-axis, so it is x-axis. On x-axis my y coordinate is always 0, and for y-axis my x coordinate always 0. For example, for 0, 3. 0, 3 means this point, and this point lies on y-axis. Okay student, thank you.